Westermans here with a Harrison M250 lathe, which is 3-phase. Comes with manuals. Looking at this, and the date is 96. Machine manual. Nice little manual there, and there's also a standard chart. Machine has the chuck that's fitted. Also beneath there's another chuck. A quick walk around the machine. Different gears available, which are actually with the machine also. You'll see the machine is in need of a good clean, but overall condition for the age is good. All running parts seem to be no gouges or marks. Again, nice and easy movements. Tank also works. You can hear the pump. Pump's running. Quick function test. Gears have been used up and down. Back out of gear. Back in gear. Limits offshore work. Also pedal. More details can be found on westermans.com on machine tools and obviously welding equipment. Machine is being sold as is, but will be tried and tested to make sure it functions as it's meant to. Thank you for looking.